I am just an instrument of the Most. I am just a vessel. Jah Cure is a vessel. Just doing Jah mission, and my vocal and my voice is just for the people to sing and uplift people, soothe their soul, and it's like soul to their food to their soul. You know what I mean? So Jah Cure is just a proud vessel, I should say, that doing the mission. Because my life is not for me, my life is for the people and everyone. So whenever I go anywhere, everyone is free to take a picture no matter how the security tight. And if I have the time to give every single body, everyone a photo at my show, if I can, I will. Because that's my duty to fulfill and make everyone feel special and happy. Because, you know what I mean, if we all can contribute to making the world a happy place by simple, you know, shaking another hand and embracing a brother with your fame and your glory and not trying to be like two, you know? Make everybody feel special, giving a photo and interacting with everyone, show them the love and the care so they can feel special too. So that's Jah Cure. Jah Cure is a proud vessel, doing Jah mission. A songbird, a messenger.
They've done good in the past. They've shared the stage with Winky. How is the response back home? How do you appreciate our Zim music, especially our Zim dancehall music back home?
I love everything about Africa, and I'm happy for the opportunity to come here, because if I didn't come here to perform, maybe one day I would come as a tourist. But I'm happy to know that I could come to perform and meet the people in the same time doing my work, because right now, answering these questions, I'm just happy to see all of you. I'm telling you this, genuinely from my heart. And these are my two first gifts, and you will be seeing me with them for a long time because I really love them. So I don't have to wait till I come to Zimbabwe and try to fit in. I know that I fit in already. Because even in my side of the world, when I was young going to school, all my teachers, everybody was really, my name, they find it really strange. Because everybody named Omar, Junior, Tony, Richard. My name was Sikaturi Alcock, and I was skipping to school, S-I-C-C-A-T-U-R-E, to make sure I could spell my name before I eat, because it's just a long name. So I know that, you know, definitely my father, thank him for giving me such a great name, and I feel connected with my brothers and sisters. And repatriation, it's already begun, you know what I mean, because this is part of it. So I'm happy to be back here. I could tell you, we were taken from here many years ago. Maybe I was in a different body this time. I think I returned in a different body, but it's the same spirit. But you know, one way or the other, we will find ourselves back where we originally, where we came from. So I know that I feel at home. I don't know if I was from Zimbabwe in the first life. So maybe. Yes, sir.
I'm Andrew Neshamba. From the local media. I wanted to find out how many albums have you produced so far, and which one would you say is your favorite album and favorite song as well?
All right, very important questions, because I wanna explain more of this to people out there. That, to be honest, I only have 3 official albums that I know about, that I sat down and worked on as an album. The first album I ever worked on in my life was an album called Ghetto Life, released by Barry Hammond and produced by Barry Hammond. The second album was an album called World Cry, and the third was my last, that was nominated for the Grammys last year, which is The Cure, and that was produced by me. The rest of what you see out there is just people who was exploiting me while I was incarcerated, and everybody put together songs from other producers and say it's an album, but it's not an album because I didn't approve it. So I only have 3 albums out for now, and my favorite songs, it's hard to choose, but I'm gonna just choose one from the top of my head, which is Unconditional Love. And I'm very jealous to know that I can't say anymore because you only asked for one, but I'm here. And I'm not only here to sing for you, I'm here to make the connection with every single one of you, spiritually, physically, some spiritually and some physically. And yeah, you understand? And so my brother here, we definitely, I'm not gonna promise him nor you, but we will see where the dance leads us. And also my other brother, and I know that there's other talents out there too, dancers, and you know. So this is my first step of a journey of 1,000 miles, and I know that I will be coming back again. And I know that we'll be making some connection with my Zimbabwean brothers and sisters regarding music and other things.
Okay, yes sir.
Yeah. Hello, my name is Safas Machuba, greatest final full time. How does it feel to be a greatest artist at the moment, worldwide?
I feel very privileged because I sing from my heart, as you can know it, and I put as much feel I could put into it so I could connect to everyone's soul. So this is the result of my work, and for years there's been negotiations with promoters and other people to get me in Zimbabwe, and it wasn't right. So at this final moment we fight hard with Two Kings Entertainment to get it right. Thanks to them for bringing me here so every one of you could also see me and ask these questions and enjoy the weekend. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Christina Bandi. I represent Zimbabwean and BPM magazine Jamaica.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, I just wanted to know, have you taken time to listen to Zimbabwean music, and how did you find it?
I'm not a liar. I'm going to tell you the truth. I haven't taken any time yet. But I will. And soon I will have some answers. Because I definitely want to see what's in Zimbabwe, and for the few days I'm not going to sleep. Only at night. But maybe late at night. If there's anything out there now, or we're safe to go out there, I want to know, I want to see, I want to experience every bit of Zimbabwe life. I want to taste every part of the culture. You know, I want to experience it. So, definitely, I will have some answers to the questions.